Hello everyone, welcome to this course. Today we will learn the hands-on part of material ledger activation. So let's start. So our first setting is assign currency type and define material ledger type. T code is OMX2 and path SPRO IMG controlling, then product cost controlling, and actual cost material ledger, and assign currency type and define material ledger type. Assign currency type and define material ledger type. Okay. Now click on position, material ledger type 9000. We'll always use 9000. This is also defined by SAP, predefined. Here we are not going to create anything because it's already done. Okay, so just save. Okay, see, data already saved. Next, so after that we are going to assign material ledger type to valuation area. T code is OMX3 and path is SPRO IMG controlling, product cost controlling, and actual cost material ledger. Then assign material ledger type to valuation area. Valuation area means plant. Click on new entries. Give valuation area. Here give valuation area means plant. So our plant is VMPP. See on status, material ledger not assigned. Here it is not showing in status. If you did everything correct, it will give the green signal. If it is not giving the green signal, it means you did somewhere mistake. Okay, clear? So our valuation area is VMPP and material ledger 9000. Material ledger type 9000. Enter. See, it automatically take our company code VM01. It's giving the green signal. So that means our entire configuration is correct. Okay, now save. Under Bhumi test TR. After that, activate material ledger type to valuation area. Activate material ledger to valuation area. T code is OMX1. And path is SPRO IMG controlling, product cost controlling, actual cost material ledger, actual costing material ledger, and activate material ledger for valuation area. Okay, and choose activate material ledger. Now click on position. Valuation area. Our valuation area means plant is VMPP. Okay, enter. So after that I'm going to activate this material ledger. Price determination we always give 2. Okay, means transaction base, and 3 means single multi-level, but always choose 2 and save. Okay, and that movie test TR. So after completing all the configuration steps, we will move the material ledger activation. For this, we use the transaction code CKMSTART. When you execute this transaction, if there is any mistake in the configuration, the system will show an error message. This helps us identify configuration issues. If no error message appears, it means that our configuration is completely correct. So now I am going to execute this transaction. Okay, transaction CKMSTART. CKMSTART. And our plant is VMPP. Here background processing and test run. Just remove background processing and execute. Okay. See, everything is giving green signal. That means every configuration is correct. So now go back and remove test run also, and again execute. Okay, fine, everything is correct. Okay, so today's session ends here. Next we learn about material group. Don't miss the next session and keep learning with us. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Bye bye.